guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shay, and today I have a brand new video for you guys. And if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. And if you've been here since day one, thank you for coming back, thank you for supporting, and let's get into this video. This video is not about makeup. No, you see my face is beat, but that's it. It's just going to be about my hair, how I got this ponytail and added this extra hair that I didn't even need, but just to be extra. I don't know what I was thinking. Do you guys see how, do you guys see my edges? Do you guys see how my hair is laid? Okay. So today I figured I should do something totally different, which is my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I get my perfect slay back ponytail. So let's go ahead and just get right into it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my braids down from the day before after I finished washed my hair. Again, this is on wash hair. So that white stuff you see in my hair, it's the edge booster. When I was doing my hair, I applied it so that way I could braid it down. Just to let you guys know, the edge booster doesn't really give what they say it's supposed to give, but once you start using it, it does, but it doesn't last. Now I'm going in with one of my favorite gel, Xtreme. Before, it used to leave white stuff in my hair, but now I don't even see that anymore, so I don't know what happened. I did apply a good amount, but not too much, so that way my hair wouldn't get all frizzy on me. And I'm going in with my brush and really comb it down. And brushing some more, and so now I'm going in with one of my favorite hair tie. It's not actually the hair tie with the rubber band inside of it, which can actually break your hair. This one, it's all fabric, and you can do it as tight as you want. Me, I get headaches fast, so I'm not gonna make my bun as tight, and I'm not gonna leave this in my hair for like a long time, just like a week or so. So I'm just gonna make it as tight as I can take it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with a little bit of Got2b glue. So I could leave my hair like that and just do my edges. So the Got2b glue, they have two types. One that's clear, it comes in a black bottle, and the one that's white, which is the one I'm using right now. A lot of people say that the one I'm using right now usually leave white stuff in their hair. It doesn't really leave any white stuff for me, so I don't know. I guess it depends on your hair type. I don't know. But I feel like this one holds my edges more than the other one, which is the clear one. So I don't really like to use the clear one that much. I prefer to use this one. But I would say use it, see which one works best for you. I didn't really know if I like my edges. I was like, should I leave it? Should I do something different, you know? But now I'm going in with my mushra. A mushra is a scarf. Mushra in Creole means scarf. So I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair down. For like 10-15 minutes so I can go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, which I forgot to record that part. So this is a hair that I've used on my head before that I had, and I didn't want to just leave my hair out, so I braid my ponytail, and now I'm gonna go ahead and braid this hair and add it to hot water so that way the curls can come out more. Then I'm gonna apply it to my head. Do you guys see my edges? Do you guys see how my hair is laid? Okay. This is what we ended up with, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.